Hello everyone, welcome back to your English literature class. Today we are going to learn lesson 4, shipwrecked. Shipwrecked means the destruction or a loss of a ship. The story is a series of an imaginary event in which it happened. Robinson Crusoe is a novel by Daniel Defoe, first published on 25th April 1979. The novel Robinson Crusoe tells the story of a young and impulsive Englishman that defies his parents' wishes and takes to the seas seeking adventure. The young Robinson Crusoe is shipwrecked and cast away on a remote tropical island for 28 years. Here in this chapter, Robinson Crusoe tells us his experience to voyage to Africa, and here in this chapter, I means the narrator, Robinson Crusoe. Let us get started. Open page number 25 in your term book. Robinson Crusoe loved to travel. Read this account of what happened on his voyage to Africa. Robinson Crusoe loved to travel. So we have to now read this lesson on his voyage. Voyage means a long journey, especially by sea to Africa. He went by sea to Africa. Okay. For the first few days of our journey, the weather was warm and the sea was calm. So, how was the weather on the first few days? It was calm. Means there was no wind and it was calm. And the sea was also calm, means the water was stable. The ship moved smoothly on its way and everyone was happy. How the ship moved? The ship moved smoothly and everyone was very happy. Then a great storm began. What began? A great storm. The sea grew rough and angry. The sea became rough and angry. The water was rough and very angry. The ship was thrown around by the waves. How was the ship thrown? It was thrown around by the waves. There were huge waves in the water and the ship was thrown here and there by the waves in the water. We thought we would drown. There were his friends, and Robinson is saying that with the ship he thought that we also might drown. Drown means to die after being underwater for too long. We could do nothing. Day after day the storm grew louder and fiercer. So what it say? That we could do nothing. As the day passes, the storm grew louder and fiercer. On the 12th day, the wind died down. On which day the wind died down? On the 12th day. But by now, the ship and the men needed rest. We changed course towards the nearest shore. So as the wind died down, so now the ship needed rest, and also the men in the ship also needed the rest. So they changed their direction towards the nearest shore. Changed course means when a ship changes course, it changes the direction in which it is sailing. But just as we thought we could reach land safely, another storm began. When they changed the direction, they thought that now they would reach the shore safely, but it was wrong. What happened? Another storm began. We did not think we would see land ever again. So that storm was very angry. They thought that they would not see the land ever again. So they thought that they would die now. But the next morning we heard a sailor cry out, "Land, land." What they heard the next morning? A sailor was crying out, means saying out loudly, "Land, land." I ran out of the cabin to look. I here means Robinson Crusoe. Robinson Crusoe ran out the cabin to look. Like who was crying this? Land, land. At the very moment, the ship hit a great sandbank. So, as he came out of the cabin, the ship hit a great sandbank. Sandbank means a sandy area in the middle of a river or sea. It became to a sudden stop. After hitting the sandbank, the ship stopped. It could not move. The ship could not move. Giant waves crashed over it. There were huge waves which crashed over the ship. All of us hurried back to the cabin. As the waves crashed, all of them went back again to the cabin. "What shall we do now?" cried one of the men. One of the men in the ship said that, "What shall we do now?" "We must get to the lifeboat," said another. The another man said that, "We must get to the lifeboat." Lifeboat means a small boat carried by ships used to save people if the ship sinks. Okay? Together we pushed the boat into the water and jumped inside. They all together pushed the boat into the river and they all then jumped inside. We rowed towards the land. They started moving the ship towards the land. We hoped that we could reach the shore alive. They thought that they would reach the shore alive. Suddenly a huge wave hit the boat. Then what happened again? Again the huge wave hit the boat. We had no time to speak or think. So now they had no time to talk to each other or think. We were thrown out of the boat into the sea in different directions. They were thrown out of the boat in the different direction. All of his friends were thrown out of the boat in different directions. The waves carried me a long way and dropped me on some rocks near the shore. Then the waves carried him in a long way and the Robinson was dropped near some rocks. I ran towards the land and fell on the grass. I means Robinson Crusoe. Robinson Crusoe ran towards the land and then he fell on the grass. I was safe. The water could not reach me here. He went to the land on the grass, so now the water could not reach to him. I rested for a little while. There he rested for a while. Then I sat up and looked around. I could see the ship stuck in the sand at a distance. What he did then? He sat up and looked around. Then he saw that the ship was stuck in the sand at some distance. Means little far to him. The waves were dashing over it. The waves were still dashing over the ship. I thought of the other man. He started thinking of his friends. Could any of them be on the island too? Then he started looking for his friends. I started to walk along the shore. He started walking on the shore. I looked for signs of my friends. Then what he found on the shore? He found signs of his friends. In one place I found a hat. He found hat of one of his friend. In other a cap. In other he found a cap of his friend. And then two shoes that did not match. And then what he found? He found two shoes that were not matching. But I did not see anyone else. But he could not see any of his friends. He could only see is the sign of them. It grew dark. So now it grew dark means the night began. I started to worry about being attacked by wild animals. So as it was night, so he was afraid that some wild animal would attack on him. I found a strong stick to protect myself and climbed onto the tallest tree I could see. What he did? He found a strong stick to protect himself from the wild animal. And what he did? With the help of the stick, he climbed on the tallest tree near him. Soon I fell into a deep sleep. Then he went to sleep. Thank you.